My name is Fabio Spinella. I am the Director of Security for Texas for Bravo Research Group, and I have the pleasure of traveling around the country helping protect our clients. Yeah, I've had the pleasure of working with other boutique type of executive protection agencies. Working with Bravo is completely different. You're working with your brothers, you're working with your family, and because we're a Christian company, you know that the man you're standing next to is got standards, he's got morals, and he's going to follow through with what they say they're going to do, so you can trust that the team you're with is going to deliver. Yeah, Bravo Research Group is about the training so that the guys can be prepared for whatever might come on any assignment. So we're often here on the range working stuff out. We're taking medical classes, we're taking driving classes, we're supporting each other, we're holding each other accountable to a standard that it's above and beyond the industry. And so we come out here, we get better, we push each other to be at the very best of our ability, so when the day comes, we're ready for it. So I've been working with Bravo for about 7 years now. We've kind of grown up together as the company grows. I'm growing as an agent myself. I'm able to support the team, and the team is able to support me back. I know that at the beginning we had all sorts of different types of clients, and now we're kind of narrowing it down to the Christian clients. We have a very kingdom-based mission. I'm super proud to be able to participate in that, as I believe in the mission. So at Bravo, since we pride ourselves in training and make sure that the guys are well supported and learn how to do their job really, really well, we are above the industry standard when it comes to being able to deliver our clients with the very best service possible. Having worked with other companies, I have stood next to other humans that I'm not necessarily proud of. And here at Bravo, no matter who I take on a mission with me, I know what their standard of training is. I know what they know. I know what they can deliver on. And because of that, it makes Bravo the best choice in the industry.